Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. The title of my video is How to Get Paid to Buy Gas. Yeah, gas for your automobile. Coming up, free merchandise lady will tell you. But before I tell you, let me introduce myself to those who don't know me. I'm about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. I'm going to tell you how to get paid to buy what? Gas. Free merchandise later. Now, free merchandise lady can't wait to tell you about this one because this is so great. Not just you could save on gas, but you could also save on restaurants that you eat at. Yeah, you're getting paid to go to these restaurants. You're getting paid to get the gas, and then on top of that, depending on your location in the country, what state you in, and you can get paid for buying groceries too. So guess what? Those three are very important: gas, grocery, and restaurants we love to eat at. Very important. We do that illegal once a week, twice a week, or something like that. You getting paid for it. Now, for a limited time, this particular site has a limited time offer. Yes, the link is below on this site I'm about to tell you about. I'm so excited about it because I think like, wow, they really trying to make sure people save money on gas, remember, restaurants and groceries, on some of your favorite areas. Like I said, it depends on where you are, depending on what they have available. The name of the site is Upside. Now, Upside, if anybody know, it's about gas cashback. Yeah, you're getting paid to get gas. And some of your favorite, of course, name brand, Exxon, BP Mobile, Phillips 66 are some of your favorites. But they added something to it. They added groceries, depending on where you are, because in my location, they don't have it. But, and then they added your favorite restaurants. Some of my favorite restaurants in my area got cash back. So if I got my gas, and then I got my restaurant, that adds up. That's money in my pocket. Who else doing money in their pocket? So for the limited time, through April 16th, they have it where you join the link below and you get $11.11 bonus just for joining the app. But you had to participate one time in order to get that bonus. You got to do it. They paying you $11.11 just for trying the app. Just try it one time. Like I said, the link will be below. This is the free merchandise lady. Hey, it got to be about saving money, making money, and getting things for free. For me to tell you, for a limited time, remember, $11.11. Then you'll start to save it on the restaurants, on the grocery store, on the gas, especially the gas. That's the start, the gas. Then I guess the restaurants next. It depends on, like I said, it depends on. They got thousands of locations. So all you need to do is sign up. Like I said, the link is below. Like I said, get on that cell phone and start saving. Free merchandise later, later, later. Yes.